Hey, what is up? It is your boy Will. Welcome back to the Skinny Survivor channel, the best place for skinny guys to gain their first 30 pounds of rock hard muscle and go from the scrawny guy to the brawny guy. So listen, today I've got something really useful for you if you're struggling to gain weight and get in your calories every day. Today I'm going to be revealing to you my top 3 mass gain shakes that you can make from the comfort of your own home and drink in order to gain more weight. And today's shakes are going to help you boost your calories from anywhere between 800 to 1,000 calories in just one shake. But listen, if you're new to this channel, again, this is the best place for skinny guys to come to build muscle and to get mass gain recipes, mass gain workouts, and mass gain ideas to be able to bulk up fast. So if that sounds like content you're interested in, you're a skinny guy looking to bulk up, make sure to subscribe to the channel and also check the link in my description to get a free bulking plan to get started for free this month. So let's get straight into today's video. So today I'm going to be revealing to you my top 3 recipes when it comes to creating a mass gain shake from the comfort of your own home. And if you've never created a mass gain shake at home, it's one thing that I really recommend you do because you can create some really nice recipes and they're gonna be natural recipes. So a lot of guys, skinny guys, come to me and they say, Will, I've been taking something like serious mass and I've been trying to gain weight, but I feel really bloated. These shakes make me feel really bloated. And the reason for that is a lot of these synthetic shakes that you buy from the supplement store, they've actually got a lot of additives and a lot of stuff in there that is gonna make you feel nauseous, make you feel bloated, and it's not really natural stuff. So if you can, I always suggest creating a natural mass gain shake at home. It's not only gonna be easier for you on your stomach and help you down the shake, but it's also gonna be a lot more natural and contain some vitamins and minerals that is gonna be really good for your overall health. So I wanna get straight into the shakes, the recipes today, and I'm just gonna go through my phone and I've got the recipes are all designed for you. So make sure to stay to the end of the video. I'll give you a document with all the shakes and I'll put some bonus shake recipes in there as well. So stay to the end of the video to get that. But let's get into shake number 1, okay? So shake number 1 is that 1,000 calorie strawberry shake. Now, I love this shake because of the fact that it's strawberry. I love strawberry. So if you're a strawberry fan, this shake's gonna be amazing for you. And if you're not, you can actually swap out the whey protein flavor. But let's get into the recipe. So if you can see on the screen here, this is the full shake recipe for the 1,000 calorie strawberry shake. So again, it's gonna give you 1,000 calories in one serving. Now you can split these servings up if they're too difficult for you to have in one go. I always suggest that because sometimes if you have it in one go, you're gonna feel a little bit bloated at the beginning. But if you can have it in one go, that's awesome, okay? So let's have a little look at the shake recipe. So we've got 1 cup of whole milk. Again, I always suggest whole milk because it's got more calories. 1 banana, you can split that up in halves when you put it in the blender. Again, you're gonna need a blender to create these shakes. So I will leave a link below on where to get a blender, preferably from Amazon. They don't go for much. You can find ones for pretty cheap. And all you're gonna need is a blender and these ingredients and you're gonna be able to create the shake. So then you're gonna need ½ cup of Greek yogurt, 1 cup of rolled oats, 2 tablespoons of honey, which is gonna boost the calories a lot and give it flavor, and 1 scoop of strawberry whey. So how to create the shake? You pretty much just put all the ingredients that I've listed here on your screen. You put it in your blender, maybe add some ice, then you blend it on high for about 15 to 30 seconds until the consistency is very smooth, and then you can serve it in a large cup. I preferably like to use a blender cup. So I'll leave a link below as well for that. A big blender cup, put it in a protein shaker cup, and then you can have it on the go, okay? These shakes are amazing because you can have them at home, you can take them to university, you can have them at work, pretty much anywhere, and it's super convenient to get your protein in, your carbs in, and also some fats, okay? So that's recipe number 1. Recipe number 2 is one of my favorites. It's my 810 calorie Nutella mass gain shake. So listen, if you're a fan of Nutella, I'm not sure who isn't a fan of Nutella, you're gonna love this shake, okay? So let's get into the recipe here. So calories for the Nutella shake, 810 calories, 58 grams of protein, 89 carbs, and 27 fats, okay? So high calorie shake, super high protein, and got some great amounts of carbs and fats here. So full shake recipe, you're gonna need 2 scoops of chocolate whey, you're gonna need 1 medium banana, 300 mils of coconut milk or 10 fluid ounces, 1 tablespoon of Nutella, and 100 grams of vanilla Greek yogurt or 3.5 ounces, and a couple ice cubes you can put in there to make it a much more chilled shake. Again, same process, blend on high, 15 seconds to 30 seconds, and you've got an amazing protein shake. Okay, so let's get into the last mass gain shake. This one's, again, one of my favorites. It's my 900 calorie mass gain shake, and this is a very simple signature shake that I use, and it's a blueberry almond blast shake recipe. So let's get into the recipe. So you're gonna get 916 calories in the shake, you're gonna get 43 grams of protein, you're gonna get 135 grams of carbs, and 28 grams of protein. So again, high protein shake. This one's a bit higher in carbs, so you can use this if you're trying to get in those carbohydrates before your workout sessions or after. Again, it's gonna be amazing for pre-workout or post-workout recovery. And let's get into the recipe quickly. So you're gonna need 1 scoop of whey protein, half a cup of raisins, you're gonna need 2 tablespoons of almond butter, 1 cup of blueberries, 1 cup of whole milk, and 1 banana, okay? So you're gonna end up with a shake that's got a kind of blueberry taste, and it's gonna taste amazing. It's gonna help you pack on those calories and gain more muscle this month. So again, I hope you enjoyed these shake recipes, my top 3 mass gain shake recipes to gain more weight from the comfort of your own home. Try them out for yourself this month. Use the recipes. I'm gonna leave you a full document of the recipes below. Thank you so much for watching to the end of this video, and I'm super excited to show you some more content over the upcoming days. So make sure to subscribe to the channel, like this video if you enjoyed it, and I will see you in the next one. And don't forget, make sure to download my free bulking plan as well in the description below. So see you in the next one, and I'll talk to you soon.